Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out that other video.
All right, I'm back.
Thank you.
Got my trusty Ryobi. I'm gonna take out the piece. So I actually did this backwards. Well, I went too fast for myself. I'll put it that way. Because now I'm gonna have to take that off to put the piece on. So you see the little clips holding it. You're gonna have to push that, release it, and push it down. Pull this down this way and push it through. That comes off, right? And that's the old one. So once I get the new one, I'll be able to put that on and replace it, right? So this is a piece in here now that just clips on. And this pushes through. Push that clip there, push that out, and now that goes right here. Nice and clean and fresh. Everything fits. Make sure you put it on even. And boom. Just like that. Front end looks nice and new. I'm going to put these on. These screw in and secure it. There you go. Secure. That's it. It's not going anywhere. Get your tools out of the way. Again, the description you can check out for the tools I use, the replacement piece, so you can order it and get it yourself to work on your project. It doesn't have to be a Nissan. It could be any vehicle. Just use the link that helps support the channel, and you're good to go. Make sure there's nothing on the corner. Sometimes you leave screwdrivers. Check all areas, and there you go. Looks good as new. Love it. Like, subscribe, share, purchase. Leave a comment. We'd like to hear what you think. Does it look better? I think it does. No comparison. Broken pieces. And it has an updated look.